Hey guys, welcome to another Total Home Quick Tip. Today we're going to talk about removing stipple from your ceiling. Now, stipple is in almost every house, and a lot of the big builders used to use stipple because you only have to do 2 coats of mud on the ceiling and the stipple hides everything. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So that's why they use it. It's quicker, it's faster, it's cheaper. But a lot of style today calls for nice smooth ceiling. So you want to put your pot lights, you want to have a nice smooth ceiling. So, people are taking stipple out of their house. So I have 2 methods for that. First of all, make sure you get your stipple tested for asbestos, because a lot of the older homes had asbestos in the stipple. And if it does, you're going to need professionals to come in and take it out. If not, you can do it yourself. So here I am today. The first method is obviously the garden sprayer. You spray down your stipple, let it soak in there for 5 minutes or so. Go up with the scraper, scrape it smooth. The second method that I'm using right now, I'm actually going to show you. I'm just going to put you down right here, is a little bit of drywall mud on the ceiling. And same thing, you let it soak in. All the water is going to be sucked into the stipple, and then you just take a scraper and a bucket and you just scrape it clean. Like so. Now, I find this method to be a little bit better because it soaks in right down almost to the paint, which is great because when you scrape it off, you're getting a smoother surface. The downfall is that, it costs money to put this mud up there. It's 17 bucks a box roughly. But on the other hand, there's another pro to this, is that even if it doesn't scrape it right clean, you can see I already have a skim coat on my ceiling. So that kind of skips a step, because the rest of the ceiling that I've already done, I'm going to have to go around and skim coat it anyways, because that's as good as the water will do. Pros and cons, you guys choose which one you would prefer. The mud is great, but it's cost effective, or it's costly. The water's free, the amount of work is the same, the mess is the same. So it really doesn't matter. You choose. All right, I'll talk to you later.